But when I was grabbing it out the pack, I'm like, this a little thin. What's really going on, Shein? I don't understand. What's up, my J dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and you probably are because you're coming from TikTok, welcome to the channel where we do beauty, hair, try on hauls, sometimes vlogs and all that good stuff. And my name is Javiandowens. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more of these videos, and also follow me on all my social medias. I have them down below. And yeah, I just tried this Shein wig from, of course, Shein, and I absolutely love this wig. I've been seeing it on TikTok so many times, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bring it to my channel because if it's giving synthetic, I'm gonna let my people know. Okay, so it's not giving synthetic at all, let me tell you. I don't know what they put in it, but this hair is definitely giving. Okay, so I just got the 26-inch, and it is 150 density, so it's not super thick like all my other wigs on my channel. But this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my coins, my money. The lace is amazing. Okay, period. Like, the girls are really ready to tussle me right now because I'm not uploading this video soon. So tonight is currently 3:47 a.m. The bleaching process didn't take too long. It was just like 10 minutes, you know, per usual. It plucked very well. It was a little pre-plucked, so that's great. I feel like for the price, it's not bad because 26 inches normally run you around $200 to $300. So for this wig, I feel like you're definitely getting your money worth because it's not like not like they're saying, oh, you're gonna get this super thick wig. It's gonna be like 200 density. This is a 150 density wig, so it's definitely giving 150, and I'm loving it, y'all. Like, I am loving this wig, and the hair was super soft, and as y'all can see in the picture, it does has like a layered look. I did not cut it because I wanted y'all to see like the real deal and what it gave out the pack, but when I was washing it, it was tangling a little bit, and I got a little scared. I'm not gonna lie to you, it did tangle a little bit when I washed it, but after I put my conditioner on it, it just came right out. When I put heat to this hair, it did not do terrible because when I put heat, I put 450. If my hair can't hold up on 450, then we gotta let the company go. But when I was grabbing it out the pack, I'm like, this a little thin. What's really going on, Shein? I don't understand. But it did get thick after I washed it, and this is the baby hairs that I did. Super cute. How much was the total? It was $196, and I did a discount and I got it for $166. So that's bomb. Like, that's giving Amazon without, you know, 3-day shipping, but it is bomb. Like, I literally would pay the $166 again because it's like a quick little wig. Like, you don't have to do much. It is a 13x4 lace, so it does stop, you know, short on the side, but it goes all the way to the back. And at this point, Shein, you need to sponsor me because I did the dang thing. Like I can do a behind the ear action. What did you say? What's up? Talking to me? You can't be talking to me. So yeah, this is the full review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to watch the rest of the video so you can see the install on how I did my baby hairs and how I bleached my knots, all that good stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I'll see you in my next video. So right now I'm just going in with my 40 developer, and I'm also going to go in with my bleaching powder, and I just got this from my local beauty supply store and Sally's. And I'm also using 2 scoops of this, and you want to make sure your paste is like super thick because you don't want it to run through and like seep onto your lace. So make sure this paste is like an actual paste, like a batter. So yeah, that's just what I do on this part.
You know what the pump, keep them in the trunk. What the fuck your baby mama but the storm. Beat that nigga ass, even in the long. What? I came in with a cool 100.
So now I'm just washing my hair out with my Tresemme. I use the one that says extra 7 times moisture, and I just find that it really moisturizes my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and we're just gonna go into the blow drying process. So I've done plenty of plucking methods on my channel, but basically I'm using the Arrogant Taze inspired plucking method, and it's just where you pluck the front of the hair first and then you pull back a layer and then you just continue. So if you would like an in-depth video, I will do that, but yeah, that's just what I'm going to be doing right here. So right now I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut the lace because it was giving very much tight. So yeah, the lace blended in with my skin very well after I put the makeup on it, and I just used the Ruby Kiss brand. And I'm only going to do 2 layers this time because I'm probably going to take this wig off soon. But yeah, I'm just going to blow dry it, and I have more in-depth videos on my channel if you would like to see that. So yeah. Key to great baby hairs is curling them. Like, I curl it first, cut it, and then I go back in and curl it again. And you also want to make sure your baby hairs are even. You don't want to have a lopsided head. So yeah, that's what I was doing earlier, and I'm just going in with my black Gots to Be glue. This just, I don't know, it works better for me. I can work better with it. The yellow one, I just feel like it lifts up my baby hairs and it don't lay it down. So yeah, I just love this product. Like I said before, I do put my heat on 450. So yeah, that's just how I get it real straight, real smooth, real silky. I just do 450 heat. But of course I'm not going to do that on my real hair because, you know, it would damage it. But this is weave, y'all. Put that heat up to 450. So that is the end of this install. I hope you all enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my new people, and for my returning people, make sure y'all turn that bell on so you can get notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video.